Hey everybody, my name is Tony and I am on a journey to lose 55 pounds. But I wanted to address the elephant in the room. My channel has always been about positivity and what I do on a daily basis. The good things that happen on a daily basis, but I do have my bad days. I just want to go into I've been looking really hard and long, hard look at my channel and what I've been promoting and what I've been doing. I didn't want to come across as a channel that promotes like puppies and Christmas trees and stuff like that every single day. Happy, happy, happy. That is not what I wanted to promote. I want to promote what really the reality of weight loss and what the real struggle is. My weight loss journey on this channel has been mostly, a lot of it is just, I want to tell you about my good days, and most of my videos are based on good days. The last thing I want people to feel when they come to my channel is, I don't want you to feel like, what's wrong with you and why is my day not like that? I wake up crying. Some of the times I wake up crying because I know that the day is going to be a struggle. It's because I'm trying to find a happy medium with all of this. Sorry. My real goal in all this is I want to be able to help people and help them get through their daily struggles. And I thought bringing my happiness and positivity about losing weight on a daily basis, what I eat, and how my day is gone was going to help people. But in the long run, after looking at my channel and all of what I've done on my channel, I feel like I'm promoting fake. If fakeness is a word, it should be a word. I don't want to come on here and lie about what I've been doing on a daily basis, because if a friend of mine asked me, if they came up to me and said, hey, how are things going with you? And how is your weight loss? And you inspire me and things like that, on how much I love hearing that I inspire them, because that's what I really, really want to do, is inspire people what I do, because I want them to do what I want them to do them. You know what I mean? You do you. And what works for you. But if if someone came up to me and asked me how I'm doing right now, I would probably lie to them and say everything was okay and sugarcoat it to the point of no return. And I don't want my channel to be that. I want to be the reality of what the struggle is. I am the type of person that eats their feelings away, like severely away. So this morning I'm going to be transparent as possible. So this morning I'm so frustrated with myself. So I went out this morning to go put some money in the bank, and I have come to the point where I can't even go out into public or for a drive without wanting to stop at a fast food restaurant. And I'm sorry I'm being so transparent. I hope I don't offend anyone with my channel, but this is my journey and I want to be as transparent as I possibly can. But I can't go out, and that's disturbing to me. I can't go out and just go run errands without wanting to go to a fast food restaurant. And that's where my struggle is. So when I try to go out, it's super hard to even drive by the restaurant. It takes every single bit of my energy to not want to go in there and get Taco Bell, Panera, whatever. Even going to get my dog's pup cup is a struggle for me. but I think I'm learning something from it. I'm learning self-control. So that's a good thing. I didn't want to get on this rant of how terrible things are right now because I want to be here. I want to be able to help people that come into this channel and get positive, reinforcement with their journey. I have been struggling lately, especially this week, and I don't want to lie about it anymore because I feel like not the whole channel has been a lie. I know that it's been a journey. It's been a struggle. It's been ups and downs, round and round. And I know that's part of my journey. But I know people are going through way worse than what I'm going through. But this video is on the purpose of getting through the holidays. Sometimes suck. I just have to say it. They really do. So anyway, I just wanted to come out and say what my true feelings and what I've been thinking about with my channel. Crying. But yeah, and I laugh when I get nervous. Sorry if that, I don't mean that I don't mean this to be a laughable thing because it's serious and I don't want anybody to think that. So for now on, I'm going to show me, what I'm going through, really going through in the gutter, my struggles, my good days, my bad days, because I know we all have them. Because I don't want to do anyone a disservice by just showing the good, what I eat days. I'll still be going, shopping in the grocery store, doing my grocery hauls and all of that, and growing with this. So thank you guys for letting me share my struggles and my journey. And thank you for tuning into my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.